Designed for large-scale pure water and mineral water production, it integrates high efficiency, stability and cleanliness to help you easily cope with the market growth demand. CoreLink, high-pressure, multi-pass, internal flushing, using food-grade stainless steel, nozzles and purified water, 360, strong flushing without dead angles, ensures that the inner cavity of each barrel is clean and sterile, laying the foundation for high-quality filling. The efficient labeling machine makes its debut. It cuts the label precisely and quickly puts the label on the barrel neck position with smooth and stable movements. Packaged finished barrels are smoothly sent out via the conveyor belt and directly enter the warehouse or the next link.